What do we got going on, Gabe?
We're struggling. I got you. Give it a little more. More corn. Shut it up. What are you doing? Help. What are you doing? Up, man. Help me. I can't lift it. Oh, watch my tailgate. Go. Oh, watch the tailgate. Pick it up. Watch the tailgate. Pick it up. Wait. What happened, Hot Shot Ricky Bobby? Now what? Joey, what is the plan here? I don't know.
You said you had the plan, Gabe.
That wasn't my idea.
Yeah, Gabe, you had the plan. Lift up the back end so the front drops.
Yeah. Ready? Come on, little punk. Oh, no. Oh my God.
The fucking mountain bike, dude.
This is definitely just scratched out primary. Really struggling here.
Yeah.
Supposed to leave today at like noon. Show the time. What time is it?
9:57.
Nice.
Yep. Good times.
Right on time. You can't ride in Chicago, bud. Sorry, pal. Come on. Sorry. Get him on the next one.
Leaving this place a mess.
A mess. This is terrible right now. This is a mess. We're a mess. This whole place is a mess.
Just do something even if it's wrong.
It's taking any longer? Jesus Christ. I filled up. I got food.
Real nice, huh? It's hot out here. It's humid. Okay? I'm Italian. I like to sweat.
July 27th through August 1st, baby. Chicago's biggest step. Right, motherfucker. Street capital, baby. If you ain't there, you're a motherfucker. Baby. Let's get in Chicago, baby.
If you ain't there, you a motherfucker. I put this one on the bed.
I didn't expect that. I thought you guys were like having fun in here. I really thought this was the party truck. You guys were like having fun, hanging out. Nah.
I'm going back to Strong Deal. What?
Is he?
How long do we got, Joy, till Chiraq?
So hillside's 5 hours, I think it said.
5 hours.
400 miles.
Should we catch it?
Let's see, what are your first thoughts?
One bite, everybody knows the rules.
Let's see, what do you think of the looks?
It looks greasy. Okay, better. It's not bad. Put too much sauce on it. That is good. Sauce is up.
A little too much.
I think it's a little too strong, in my opinion.
Describe the sauce. What do you think it tastes like?
Mayonnaise is nasty shit. I don't like it.
Nobody's guiding me.
He's like, what are they all doing? I was like, they're fucking laughing at you.
What's up?
We made it.
We made it. Barely. Is that how they're supposed to look? No good, huh, Joey?
Fix everybody else's shit.
Can't fix your own. Whose fault is it? Gabe's. Gabriel, huh?
Archangel.
Oh no, still 40 minutes from the hotel. Always saw him. We got Joey Wells' play over here. Almost looks like his swing arm is bent too, but I can't tell. Probably because of that.
How many people does it take to roll it on it?